This DIY 5 minutes leave-in conditioner can be used on dry or wet natural hair. So guys, you all know the benefit for aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel promote faster hair growth, it clean the scalp, it stop the hair from being greasy. And guys, I just decided to add some of my anti-Jackie into this mixture. I just blend it well, finish blending it and screen it. I did add in 2 tablespoons of my papaya oil to make this particular treatment more moisturizing. Sometimes I do apply on a wet hair and other time I do apply on a dry hair. Alright, this particular DIY hair product, I have tried it about 3 times and this is my 4th time. The 3rd time when I tried it, I did make my hair like chunky twists, and after wearing my natural hair for 3 days straight, after doing the chunky twist, as you see in this video, I have 2 sizes of twists, the big one and the little one. And after wearing it for 3 days, as I said, I decided to make this DIY for you guys to see, because I reapplied the product and that's why it make my curls define like this. The first time I apply it on my natural hair, I just shampoo my hair with my DIY shampoo. The video is on this channel. After I rinse out that shampoo, I went in with one of my DIY oils and massage it on my hair and slap the next day. Then I applied this product on my hair after I was done making it. That's why you see my curls is tight on the other side, and on the other side it look more looser. Alright beauties, there are few other ways to make and mix this particular DIY treatment. You can use any of the company brand product that you already have, but I would recommend 4 other products that you can use with fresh aloe vera gel, and that is going to help your hair with moisture. So the number 1 product that you can use with fresh aloe vera gel is leave-in conditioner. Mix any of your leave-in conditioner. I said any. I would recommend cream-based leave-in conditioner. And guys, the other one is curly hair product, especially if you don't want your hair to be too tangled or you don't want residue on your hair, and that particular product is adding residue on your natural hair every time you use it. Try this particular method, especially a starting product. And guys, the other way I mix my fresh aloe vera gel, I mix it with a shampoo, especially if that shampoo is very dry on my natural hair. And guys, you can also mix it with your deep conditioner treatment. Take my time and just take down my twist one at a time. I start from my ends and open the twist, unravel the twist the way you twist it up, and unravel it the same direction. And you can use a afro pick to pick your hair to make it look more fuller. And I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.